welcome back to Vlogmas. Thank you for your patience. We had to take a break yesterday. I didn't vlog my cousin's party. Really didn't vlog at all that day, so I had no content to post yesterday, so we took a break. But it was much needed though. I got into bed at like 7 p.m. feeling amazing. I had to end up waking up at the crack of dawn though because Ann was a little bit upset. So I went and laid in the bed with her for a little bit of the morning. But other than that, I'm feeling great. Put my hair in a ponytail. I'll be taking the scarf off very, very soon. I just figured today I would share with you guys my pantry reset and cleaning out my refrigerator. Because all we're doing today pretty much is going grocery shopping and picking up some Christmas presents for a few special folks. And I probably will vlog that, but I'll just show you guys that footage tomorrow. And today we'll just do some kitchen cleaning, you know, type of stuff. Anthony just left to go get a haircut. It is Saturday morning, by the way, if I didn't mention that. So Anthony went to go get his haircut. He walked Sansa. It's actually raining outside, so it's kind of nasty. So Sansa is dirty a little bit, so she's hanging out in the basement. And speaking of Sansa, those basement stairs are the only stairs she can actually handle because it's kind of like that raw, unfinished wood. The stairs leading up to the second floor are finished stairs, and it's like kind of slick with that lacquer kind of finish on there. And y'all, she be scaring me coming down those stairs. The last time she came down, I thought she was gonna like do a double flip. So I really am trying to keep her from going up there. It's really hard because, you know, cane corsos are quick, even when pregnant. So she can climb up those stairs in like 15 seconds. And before I can even call her name, she's already at the top. So I just been really trying to keep an eye on her, you know, trying to follow me up the stairs. But other than that, she's been doing really, really good, you guys. She's just sleeping right now. And could you please get down? And she likes to do this, y'all. She's so disrespectful. Get down, mommy. Look, just look. Good thing this stuff is durable because Ann is just, get down, mommy. Come on, let's get down. I know you're having a great time and I love to see it, but we need to get down, okay? It's got a whole JCPenney pajama set. We all have the matching ones. And mommy said get down, okay? Anyway, you guys, Ann made some little ornaments. This is so freaking cute. She made this at school. It's a toilet paper roll, but look, it's like a little snowman with a scarf on. I don't know, I just really liked it. And for some reason, oddly enough, it goes with the decor on this tree a little bit. It's kind of like that old school, you know, ornament style. So it kind of goes. Let me show you guys what else Ann made. Look, so cute, little snowman. And then she made these snowmen as well. Really, really love it. I always hang her little art on the refrigerator, especially when it's seasonal like this. It just adds to the holiday vibes and everything. And stop it, mommy. Okay, so let me show you guys what's going on with the pantry. Stop it, Ann. She's throwing that 3 all around. So this is what the pantry is looking like, my little bitty pantry. This just needs to be organized a little bit better, especially really Sansa's new stuff, because we have so many more items that we need for her these days, especially this goat's milk stuff and some of the newer food items, just things that she needs because of the pregnancy and stuff. But as far as like some of this other stuff, like, you know, I need to empty this box because I don't like the original box packaging for some of these things because it just takes up too much space. Make more sense of everything. And I had mentioned to you guys that I was going to be using these baskets that I got from the upstairs closet to kind of help me out a little bit. So I'm going to be using those. But yeah, I had a really good time at my cousin's party. It was just like a little small house party. It's probably like, I don't know, 15 people in there. But it was really good to see him and celebrate with him. He got this really cool sweatshirt made with like our family members who have passed away recently on there. So he had Michi on there. He had my Uncle Ken, which is my dad's older brother. He had my cousin Manny, which is my other first cousin, my dad's sister's son, and my grandma Hattie, my dad's mom. So it was really good to be able to see my aunties and stuff, my dad's sisters and everything. We had a really good time. I really didn't want to leave. I think I stayed till like almost 1 in the morning. Just listening to music and catching up and seeing the kids and stuff. It was really good. So happy birthday, Brandon. I love you, cuz. Okay, so I just had my coffee, you guys, in my cute little puppy mug. Look, when you drink the coffee, the little puppy's head starts coming up. That's the cutest thing. I think I got this from Walmart or something. Or she's over there going in the cabinet. The family game night cabinet. Girl, let me get her squared away and then we'll go ahead and get started on this pantry. All right. Took my scarf off. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna start by just taking everything out. Mine as well. I probably need to sweep and wipe everything down, so I'm just gonna take everything out, and then that way we can rethink how we put everything back. You guys, that's just the way I like to do it. It just seems like the most It makes the most sense. Hey, hon, come here. Your pants are falling down. You want to say hi? Hi, guys. Hi, guys. You gonna fly away? Woo, fly away. Come on, come on. Take everything out. I'm just gonna sit everything on the table right here. No, Ann. No, no. You looking for Sansa? Gotta let her dry off. She's a little bit wet, okay? Okay, this is what the pantry looks like with everything out. And yes, like I suspected, I need to sweep in here really, really bad. And there are some areas that need to be wiped. It's actually pretty dirty underneath all of that. So I am glad I pulled everything out. Might as well start on a clean slate. Yeah, so let me get my cleaning materials. Ugh. And this is everything that came out of the pantry. I just want to get rid of some of the outer packaging type of stuff and just put everything back in a little bit more thoughtfully. All right, first things first, I'm just gonna use some of my Zip Quick Clean Disinfectant. And I got my gloves on because I don't feel like feeling nothing. And I'm gonna wipe down first and then sweep. Okay, all clean. Now it's time to start putting stuff back in. Alright, this is all of the containers and baskets in here, and I'm just going to try to figure out a way to fit everything into the baskets that makes sense, but I think we're going to start with this as our foundation. And like I said, I emptied all the baskets, so everything is kind of just on the table. Just looking at it, it looks like everything should be able to fit. Looks like everything should be able to fit, right? Okay, it's lit. Look at that empty table, and this is what the pantry is looking like now. Small differences, but big to me because I just love knowing where everything is. So I was able to end up getting all of my dry pasta and rice products on this top shelf, and there's still a lot of room behind this front row of products, so I'm really happy about that. Rice cakes and chips, and my bread is in this basket over here. I've got a bunch of popcorn and then these little cheese snacks, and then all of my instant breakfast items are in this thing. We got nuts and raisins in this thing. This is for my ramen, as you can see. Need to restock. This is our sweet snack bin. Like, we really ain't like a snacking family like that, so we don't have a whole lot there. These are just seasoning packs. And down here is Sansa's stuff, from her food to her milk to her training treats to her chewing snacks. And then her food is down here. Turns out the food in this package is different from the food in the bin. I didn't realize that. You guys, I don't buy her food, Anthony does. So I just put it inside of there for him to be able to differentiate. I think eventually I want to find a better spot for her food, because as you can see, it takes up a lot of space. I could probably fit some more shelves down here, or even some more like granular storage options, but it's just not enough room at this point, so I'll see. All right, now it's time to tackle the refrigerator. So this thing is pretty much empty. We don't have any food. So I'm really just gonna take this opportunity to disinfect and sanitize in here, because I haven't really cleaned in here since we got this thing, so it's been a couple of months. So I'm just gonna take everything out, wipe everything down with some disinfectant, and put everything back. And then we can go to the grocery store. Girl, I know. Okay, you guys, everything is cleared out. We are not dealing with the freezer today. That's another job for another day. But I wanted to show y'all what I'm trying to do today. Like, you see some of these like smears and food crumbs and particles and all types of stuff. I need to just wipe all of this out. Lots of crumbs and things from these deli drawers and stuff. You know, fruits and vegetables be having stuff falling off of them. So I just want to wipe all this out and start fresh. And no, I do not feel like doing this. I can think of about 5 other things I'd rather be doing right now than cleaning out this refrigerator. But the difference between me and people who choose not to do these types of jobs in their houses is that I know it needs to be done, and I like to know that it's being done right. So I'd rather be the one to do it. No, I'm not some supernatural being who just loves to clean stuff, you know. No, I'm disciplined. I do what needs to be done. All right, let's get started. All right, starting off on an empty sink, I'm just gonna fill it with some dish detergent and then just clean everything inside. Okay, while this is filling up, and this is what I use, you guys. This is all my detergents right here. I just use this Dawn one, the Gentle Clean. And while that's filling up, I am looking at the parts that I'm gonna have to clean, and I'm just like, oh, all this can pretty much be wiped, except for like some stuff like that might be baked on a little bit. So I'm just gonna dump that in right now, let that start soaking down. I'm trying to get that glass piece out of the middle here. You guys see that red area? I'm trying to get that glass out so I can clean it, because it's kind of nasty. So I'm just looking online for the instructions on how to do it. Hey, Anthony, need your help, baby. You see this area here? Like, oh my God, I need to clean that. Like, that was really what motivated this whole fridge clean out, this stuff here. So I'm trying to understand how to get it out. yeah, honey. Look how sparkly. Oh, yes. This was a fool, though. Yeah, this was a fool. But now that we know what to do, it'll be better for next time. There's still some color here that you can see, but that's just a little bit of the water that needs to dry. Sparkling, disinfected. Now it's time to put all the food back inside quickly. It's been sitting out. Okay, we're done. This is how everything turned out. Girl, I'm just so excited that it's all clean. It's clean. I'm just so excited. So as you can see, the areas that are really low on groceries, we know exactly where those areas are, and we can go and make informed grocery decisions. So I know we need more bottled water, we need more eggs, we need more fruits and vegetables. We're pretty good on condiments, good on cheese as well, and breakfast meats and all that. We just need more fresh produce. So yeah, we'll know what to get when we go to the grocery store. We also need more coffee and everything too. So yeah, Anna's upstairs screaming. It's bath time, so she's having a blast. And we're about to go ahead and do some grocery shopping. So that's it for this video. I'm gonna bring this vlog to a close. I hope it was helpful, gave you some cleaning motivation, you know, get your kitchen together for the holidays or the new year, whatever is most important to you. And I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Bye.